Hello students, how are you? In this lecture we are covering this gaining ratio. The gaining ratio is what? Gaining ratio is the ratio among or between the remaining partners or existing partners in which they acquire the share of retiring partner. That is the gaining ratio. And this is the formula for to get the gaining ratio. Ratio minus old ratio. How much they were getting earlier is deducted from what they are getting now. Okay. This way we find this gaining ratio. Okay. Admission of a partner we had studied that there we had studied sacrificing ratio, because when the partner used to come, an old partner used to sacrifice some share for him. Then sacrificing ratio we used to calculate. Here, because the partner is going from the business, he is leaving some of his share which is acquired by the remaining partners in the business. So they are gaining with that. So here we have to calculate the gaining ratio. There we used to find out the sacrificing ratio, old ratio minus new ratio, and gaining ratio when we find, it is new ratio, because new ratio is more, minus old ratio. So gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. This is the formula. Okay. Now, so how to calculate the gaining ratio? This is the formula we have done. But sometimes it happens that in two way the gaining ratio is calculated on the basis that what information is given in the question. Sometimes when in the question no information is given except the profit sharing ratio of the old partners, and no other information that how much share is given to which partner, that is not there. So in that case, how will calculate? There is no need to calculate. So first condition is there when no information is given regarding division of retiring partners share. No, nothing is given, and this is also not given that at what rate they are going to, or no new profit sharing ratio is given. Simply we can say there is no information given in the question regarding the sharing and new profit sharing ratio, etc. So in that case, the new profit sharing ratio will be the sharing ratio of remaining partners between or among them. Okay? If for example, the gaining ratio will be the same, new profit sharing ratio will also be same, and their gaining ratio will also be same. Here, if A, B and C are the partner, they are sharing profit in the ratio of 2, 3 and 4. In this ratio they are sharing the profits. And if A retires, so A retires, and no information is given that how his share will be distributed. A retires from the firm and this on itna, and no other information is given. Then what would be the gaining ratio? Gaining ratio here, his share will be taken in this ratio only. So this would be the gaining ratio. That in that case, gaining ratio will be the profit sharing ratio between or among the partner. This will be the gaining ratio. So gaining ratio will be here. Gaining ratio will be between B and C will be 3:4. This is gaining ratio, because this share will be taken by them in this ratio only. Okay, there is no need to calculate. And second condition, when this information is given, or new profit sharing ratio is given, है ना? तो when second condition है when such information is given. So first condition है, if ABC are the partners, they are sharing profit in the ratio of 2:3:4, and A retires from the firm. Then, and his share is taken by B and C. His share is taken by B and C in the ratio of 2:3. Taken by B and C in ratio 2:3. Then what is the gaining ratio? Gaining ratio will be 2:3. Already it is given that they are taking this share in this ratio, and they are gaining in which ratio? This ratio only, because it says that his share is taken by B and C in the ratio 2:3. So this in 2:3, they are in gain of this his share. Okay. Now, so we can calculate, if we want to calculate it, then this is B and this is C. In this ratio, his share is given. So now, his share is, we can find it that way also. His share is 4, 3, 7 plus 2, 9. 2/9, 3/9 and 4/9. These are the share. So of this share 2/9, how much he takes? B takes 5 out of 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5. This is taken by B. And C, when we see, then 2/9 into 3/5. And if we solve this, 2 2 is 4, 9 4 is 9 5 is 45, and it is 2 3 is 6 and 9 5 is 45. So ratio, this is 45 and this is also 45. So this is 4/45 ratio 6/45, or we can say, if we cancel this, 4/6, which is 2 2 is 4 and 2 3 is 6, 2:3. Okay, so it will be the same. Now in the next, we will take the next problem. If the same problem is there here, and ABC were the partner, they were sharing the profit in 2:3:4, and A retires, The new profit sharing ratio among B and C will be 2:4. Now we have to find out the gaining ratio. So in this ratio, we will use this formula, gaining ratio, है ना, old ratio, new ratio minus old ratio. So here new ratio is how much? This is the new ratio. Total share 6 out of 6, B is getting 2. Out of 6, B is getting 2. This is B and C. Out of 6, B, C is getting 4. Okay, and new ratio when we see, new ratio, this is new ratio, and old ratio is how much? Old ratio, B was getting how much? Total share were 4, 3, 7 to 9. Out of 9, B was getting 3 share. Out of 9, B was getting 3 share. Here we find, if you want to find out of 9, C was getting 4 share. If we calculate this, LCM of 6 and 9 will be 18. And 6 3 ja 18, so 2 3 ja 6. Minus 9 2 ja, so 3 2 ja 6. 6 minus 6, no gain. And here if we, when his gain is here, if we take this 18, 6 3 ja, 4 3 ja 12, 9 2 ja, 4 2 ja 8. It is 4 upon 18. So in this case, what we find here, in this case, when we calculate this, now what we find that he is not in gain and not in loss, but he is gaining. Means C is gaining out of that. Complete gain is, earlier he was getting this 8 share, now he is getting 12 share out of 18. So he is in gain, but he is neither getting nor losing. So B, the total gain is of C here. Okay, so this is there. This way we find out the gaining ratio. Okay, thank you.